Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, dear audience. Let me first introduce myself briefly. I'm Benazir Khatouch from Morocco, and I'm a doctor of electrical engineering, and also I'm a professor at Higher Institute of Engineering and Business, ESGA of France. It's a pleasure to be here presenting this paper, and I would like to thank you to be here this morning. Today, I'm going to talk about our new study entitled Intelligent Variable Speed Wind Turbine Controller using the Type 2 Fuzzy Logic based on PLD. Well, let's start talking about presenting the outline. So, we will begin with an introduction in which we will describe the fundamental problem of wind turbine system, and we will also give all the solutions proposed in this work. We will explain the type 1 and type 2 physiologic system and give the difference between the two types. Then we will describe the model of the wind turbine system. Just after, we will discuss the robust control that we proposed. We used in this work interval type 2 physiologic based on PPT controller. Finally, we will discuss the simulations results obtained and we will end with a conclusion. The wind energy has an important role and can be considered the most developed renewable energy source. The most of wind energy system uses variable speed wind turbines due to their superiority compared to by fixed speed wind turbines. The variable speed wind turbine is characterized by the capacity to adapt the speed of the ships in case the event of change in wind speed. The wind turbine system is one of the most and strongly nonlinear systems, so stability of the wind turbine system becomes a significant and urgent. The presence of the turbines can create oscillation which affect the system at any time and can, in certain cases, bring it outside the regions of stability. So, to surmount all these problems, we have proposed in this work a robust and intelligent approach in order to increase the stability system. We propose to use the type 2 fuzzy logic based on PPT controller for damping oscillation in an efficient way. So, in this slide, we can see the model of the two wind turbine system considered and studied. The aerodynamic power available of the wind turbine is modeled mathematically by equation 1, where Rho is the air density, A is the rotor swept area, and B is the wind speed. The power captured by the rotor is described by the following equation where Cp is the coefficient of performance of power which expresses the capacity of the wind of the turbine to extract exactly energy from the wind. The aerodynamic torque is given by equation 3. So we can model the wind turbine system by equation 4 and the system of the equation 4 can be rewritten in the state space as given by equation 5. Fuzzy logic system is introduced by Lotfi. It's emerged in many applications in system modeling and control. It consists of replacing conventional tuning algorithms to linguistic rules. So a fuzzy controller generally involves in following steps. First, the classification stage consists in transforming the real quantities into linguistic variables. Fuzzy rule-based consists is a set of rules that links the fuzzy input and output systems variables. The inference method is a mechanism by which one can draw conclusions, and the classification step consists in transforming the fuzzy set resulting from the aggregation of the rules into a precise control quantity to be applied to the process. So the type 1 fuzzy logic has been generalized to a new fuzzy logic called type 2 fuzzy logic. The advantage of the use of type 2 fuzzy logic is the integration of maximum of data that escapes from type 1 fuzzy logic. So the following figure shows the basic structure of a type 2 fuzzy system. It's similar to the structure of type 1 fuzzy system with the particularity of using a type reducer to convert fuzzy set type 2 into fuzzy set type 1. So in this work, the conventional PED is replaced by the intelligent interval type two fuzzy logic based on PED controller. To achieve the best performance of the type two fuzzy logic, the input and output then should be selected properly. The structure of the interval type 2 fuzzy logic controller is shown in this figure. So the motivation of using interval type 2 fuzzy logic controller is to take a large parametric uncertainties and the system nonlinearity and to minimize the disturbances in wind turbine system. So the effectiveness of the proposed controller is tested and compared with type 1 fuzzy logic and the PID controller on the wind turbine system. So the interval type topology logic is designed with the help of the interval type topology logic toolbox in MATLAB software. The Gaussian membership function of type 2 is chosen for the two inputs and also for the three outputs. Total 49 rule bases are designed for the optimal performance of the controller. Max decomposition method is used for the inverse, and the membership functions of the inputs and outputs are described by negative big, negative medium, negative small, zero, positive small, positive big, positive medium, and positive big, having different ranges in the universe of this course. So in this part of presentation, we discuss two scenarios. We start by simulation scenario one, which the wind speed profile applied in the first scenario with the less variation. The results of the simulation is illustrated in figures. So we can observe it from this case of simulation the efficiency and robustness of the proposed controller interval type to fuzzy logic based on PED. The results confirm that this intelligent controller is capable to eliminate the oscillation and to minimize the tracking errors comparing with the other controllers. So we present here the simulation scenario 2, the wind speed profile used in this scenario with high variation. From all these figures, it can be observed that the output response converges to the required value rapidly compared to other controllers. So the results of the simulation show that the proposed approach makes it possible to minimize the response time with a good convergence despite in variation in wind speed. So in conclusion, during this presentation, we focused on the robust and intelligent controller for a variable speed wind turbine system in order to maximize the energy captured from the wind and to ameliorate the stability of the system. The gain of the controller are tuned by using the interval type to fuzzy logic controller approach. This method is used to eliminate and to overcome the large parametric variations and precision and system nonlinearities. The robustness and stability of wind turbine system are significantly improved by the interval type to fuzzy logic control based on PE. Thank you very much for your attention.